Any more questions before we wrap up? Any more? Sir Grande, feeling ko may tanong ka, Sir Grande. Or si Volty. Last time, yun ko na eh. Sir Volty. Stop ko na yung sharing ko. Stop. Okay.
Wala pa tanong, sir. Wala pa.
Hello? Yes. Questions. Q&A. Question and answer. This is the question and answer part. Uy, nandito pa si Ayan San Luis. Any question? I think you have a lot in your mind.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Yes. Ayan San Luis. Pwede bang ganun? Parang kilala ko itong iba. O si Ange. Nandito si Ange. Hindi ko marinig si Ange. Oh, Ayan. Ayan, you have a lot of questions. Kilala ko to si Ayan ah. Prof ito ah. Ayan, prof. Ikaw ba yung prof? Question. Ayan. Ayan San Luis. Do you have questions? Wala.
Wala naman, sir. Nagte-test pa rin po sa Java. At least nagde-develop po ng mga apps po ngayon. So, maganda po na naka-attend po dito. At least na-open din yung dun sa ibang function. So, po pwedeng possibilities ano yung mga projects na po pwedeng gawin using Java. At the same time, yung mga projects na ginagawa niya, sir.
Okay. So, for Java, actually, ito na talaga yung de facto for airlines, banking, because it's secure. Hindi naman sinasabing secure na secure, pero it's a little bit secure. Ang backward compatible, ibig sabihin, my code in 2000, year 2000, code ko noong 2000, I'm still using it, ano na ngayon, 2020. Small modification lang, but ko modify to comply with standards lang. But the technique, the algorithm is the same. May mga bago lang, like Lambda, ano-ano, pero it's just the same. Hindi nasasayang yung code mo. Question. Ano pa ba?
Question.
Yes.
Yes, I have. Yung Java, pwede ba tayong gumawa ng application like parang bot application using Java?
Yes.
What is the advantage of Java from any other programming language?
Pag gagawa, kunyari, bot application. Pag ang bot ko, kunyari, hindi naman sinasabing manghahack ako, mangkakuan ako. For example, may application ako running on Java. I have a Java code. If this Java code is, ma-install mo yan sa Android phone, sa Windows phone, or sa any other OS, ang pwedeng mangyari dyan is, it will run anywhere. Pag, kunyari, nag-program ako on Windows platform, like .NET or what, pag hindi, kadalasan yan, pag nirun ko na sa Linux, hindi na mag-run sa Linux yan. Hindi na mag-run sa RPi yan na running on Linux. But Java can run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. Kahit sa kotse, yung mga ginagamit niya for stereos or kahit yung mga IoTs, karamihan dyan Java. It runs on Java. There are a billion IoTs running on Java, devices running on Java. So gagawa ko ng bot, palagay ko yan, as many devices I like, yun, tatakbo yan. Pwede. And you can control that device if you want to. It's really powerful. If you know what you're doing, and you know, pero dapat mag-comply ka. If you want to be evil, you can be evil. But at the end, don't be evil. Diba?
Yes. Kasi the most trending applications ngayon, I think, yan, bot at saka ML. So, trying to adapt the programming, Java programming language.
Even, for example, mag-install ka ng application sa isang desktop. Pag nag-run na yan, may main controller ako na, oops, tignan na nga natin kung anong ginagawa kung saan natin na-install yung bot. You can. It's possible. It's really possible. Nothing is impossible. Especially in this cloud infrastructure. May mga use cases yan. May mga nagawa na dyan. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Omar. It's Eli.
Okay. Sino pa po? Wala na bang iba? Si Sir Mark. Tahimik si Sir Mark Mihares. Sir Mark. Any questions, Sir Mark? The name is familiar, pero Mark Mihares. I don't know. Any more questions? Ma'am Hana, baka kailangan mo na i-wrap up. Pang geek talk eh.
So I think we've answered most of the questions given by the participants. So thank you very much, Sir Omar, for that insightful talk and for answering some of our questions. And I think we're at the end of our talk na ba, Sir Omar?
Yes, pwede na. Hindi sila nagre-react eh. Walang questions eh.
I think they're very shy or may medyo like siguro overwhelming din. Parang they're taking it, ano ba? Parang they're ina-absorb nila right now.
I just want to ask you kasi syempre, tataka ka. Di ba? We are MAAP. The question is, bakit ba isang geek nandito sa MAAP? Di ba? The real thing is, when I joined MAAP, I was invited. Hindi naman talaga ako that creative. Hindi man talaga. But I really need creative people, innovative people to design because everything in this world is visual. If you cannot visualize things, you cannot create something without visuals. Yun talaga yung main purpose ko.
Yeah. So very nice then the creative and the design goes hand in hand with the back end, the developmental part, the technology part of the and that's the one that's the thing that Sir Omar specializes in. Yung systems, yung back. Yun naman yung hirap sa ibang creatives na parang we still don't know naman how does the back end work, how does databases work, yung mga ganyan. So thank you very much.
Actually, may pwede ako magtanong. May question kasi ako sa mga MAAP people eh. Like VFX. Hindi. Kasi this is a cloud. This is cloud. VFX. How would you deploy a VFX design on the cloud, then be able to control that from anywhere? Diba? Diba? We are in the cloud. I want to push that. Actually, itong topic nito, mas gusto kong parang the topic should dwell on that because you are creative, you are VFX because, di ba, gumagawa ng movies, VFX. What if, nanonood akong movie pero gusto ko ako yung mag-control kung saan papunta yung movie?
Yes, actually, VFX is not my specialization. Pero meron tayong mga tao dito like si Sir Volty, Sir
Kaya
Mark.
nga, tahimik eh. Actually, kaya nga nag-part 2 ako because of that eh. Because I want that topic to be, ang pinapakita ko is the back end. Ang pinapakita ko, how I will deploy it to the cloud. Pinakita ko na, I can deploy it anywhere in the cloud. The question is, can VFX people put it in the cloud also and from the back end, we can control the movement. We can control the plot.
Maybe yun nga yung mga advanced na natin. Maybe if you guys are interested to actually partner or talk to like with Sir Omar and
Sir Omar!
Yes!
Si Volty na to. Yung pinaplano natin.
Kaya
Malapit
nga.
na matapos.
Ah!
So actually, yung just regarding sa question nyo, for example, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is interactive walkthrough ng isang interior space. Okay? Architectural interior. Right? So, of course, I have to upload the EXE .exe format nun para ma-play siya. Of course,
Yes.
pag 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 pinort ko yung program na yon, or I package that program, it will be packaged as exe. Playable lang siya through Windows computers. Katulad ng sabi mo kanina, kailangan mo pa mag-package ng different for different platforms. For example, I have to package it for iOS, I have to package it for Android. So, ano yung way, for example, na pwede ko siyang i-package na it can be played anywhere, di ba? Yun yung kailangan, yun yung goal, right? So kailangan siya maging Java, tama?
Not necessarily kailangan siya maging Java. Currently, there's a new technology na sinasabi na nga natin PWA. Dapat PWA na siya. If it is PWA, I'll be using PWA and you will be using PWA, then we are already on the same platform.
PWA.
Yes.
Paano pag wala nun? Hindi pa siya pwede i-package to PWA something format.
Baka, if it is on exe, baka pwede tayong mag-create ng parang streaming window.
Streaming window.
Yes.
Okay.
I think there is, sorry to interrupt. May isang technology I think this is an old technology, which is the Java Web Start, that can cater an executable application. So the scenario is that the Java application will host so it means that your executable application is in the server side. So once the user or the client connect onto that application, it will download it into your machine, and that's the time a client can use the application.
So kailangan pa niya i-download yung program para ma-run niya.
Yes.
For example, sir, yung file size is mga 1 gigabyte plus.
So ang problem is yung
File
downloading.
Download speed niya.
Yung downloading. Kung yung speed naman ng internet mo is mabilis, I think it's not a problem.
So pwede, for example, Sir Omar, if pwede ba yun, can that executable be run on the server side and streamed to the client?
Pwede rin. Actually, nagra-run ka na, i-stream mo na lang yung video mo. Pwede. Gagawa ka ng butas doon.
Kasi for example, i-stream yun kay client, but the client still has interactive control over the program.
The interactive control, syempre, sa iba mo papadaaning layer yun. Maybe, yung application mo, running somewhere, is connected to a particular control sa back-end. Dun siya nagko-call ng information.
Okay, so parang dalawang channels of
channel ang gagamitin mo talaga.
Yung video stream tsaka yung data stream.
Control
Control
data
stream. Okay.
Control stream.
Kaya ba i-set up yun, for example?
Yes, wala namang imposible. Kailangan natin yung gagawin mo, kailangan lang natin
Hindi ko kaya gawin yun. Kaya ko lang yung sa graphic side.
Kaya sa graphic side, kaya nga. If you have a graphic side, if you have already a graphic side, then automatically, automatic exe naman yan eh. Then, nagbabasa naman yan ng file. Alam mo naman kung anong controls dyan. Pag pinalitan natin yung control, kung text file man, di papalitan lang natin yung text file. Gagawa lang tayo ng, gagawa tayo ng bot. Gagawa tayo ng bot to control, anong ko-control ko, yung text file na change kung ano man tinitignan nung application mo.
Malaking papel yung mga graphic designers. Kung wala sila, walang magandang graphic design na lalabas sa industry or sa market or sa internet. Yes, sir. Mabuhay po kayo.
It's two ways. We cannot do it alone. Dapat may collaboration talaga. There should be great collaboration. Or else, wala. Kaya maganda collaboration yan, Sir Volty. Excited nga ako eh. Kaya lalabas yung VFX. si Ma'am Hana daw gagawa eh. Gagawa ng mga design niya eh. Tapos kukontrolin niya lang eh. Papagalawin, talagang papagalawin.
Mhm.
Hindi ba magaling sa magpagalaw? Teacher ko yan, di ba?
Hindi, papagalawin, di ba?
Kaya nga sa pagalaw.
Oo.
Yan, si Volty, si Mark Mijares, magagaling yan. Si Volty, teacher ko sa 3D yan.
Oo.
Anyway, so while we're wrapping things up, sir, how can they, like, kunyari, if they have more questions or they want to collaborate or they want to connect with you, how can they reach you?
Si Maap nandiyan lang eh, di ba? Nandiyan si Maap.
Regarding this topic or, you know, mentor. Sabagay.
Mentoring, ito, Vaadin Philippines. Vaadin Meetup Philippines.
Okay.
Doon ang tambayan ko eh. Doon ako nakatambay eh. Yan ang tambayan ko. Pan ako eh. Yan, reindeer ako.
No.
Reindeer ako. Ako ang pandito, ako ang evangelist sa Pilipinas nito. Ito ang bisyo ko sa Pilipinas for the since 2011 or 2010. I've been doing Vaadin since 2010 or 2011.
Okay. So you can reach him through Vaadin or through MMAAP. Okay. So thank you very much. Again, I hope you all learned from this very insightful talk. Ang daming na pag-usapan. Ang dami nating topics na natutunan today. And thank you very much again, Sir Omar, for taking time for this part 2 of our Making the Cloud Work for You. Okay, so thank you for all the participants, and I hope you can type your full names kasi parang like RTB and sila and KK, Sphinx, so we can have a certificate ready for you. So again, thank you once again to everyone, and thank you, Sir Omar. So
Thank
this
you
is
rin.
Making the Cloud
Thank you.
Work for MAAP Talks, part 2 of the series and episode 3. And we hope to see you again in our future MAAP Talks. We'll be having more soon, different topics. And if you want more updates, do follow us at MAAP. MAAP. Go to maap.com.ph for more updates. And follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Sir Omar. I hope
Thank you rin po.
Thank you, Omar. Thank
stay
you
safe,
all.
everyone.